What's happening, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Welcome to another episode of Straight TV, baby. What is happening with the crypto world? Man, I see Sam Bankman-Fried released on 250 million bail. That's the big news. I don't care about Sam, man. Get my crypto going. So what else? Yeah, Bankman-Fried, incredible shrinking 250 million bond. Well, I don't care about that. Bitcoin dips and two executives tied to SBF plead guilty to federal charges. His girlfriend and the other guy, Asian guy, I forgot his name, Wang or something. All bunch of corrupt people. Let's see what is up with Bitcoin. I posted a video about Bitcoin Cash yesterday, calling Bitcoin Cash bottom. I do really think that crypto for now, at least we have a local bottom. Let's see what is happening. We are in the same spot where we were. My opinion hasn't changed about crypto, especially about Bitcoin. If we are going to see a lower low, I do not think other cryptos, especially cryptos that I feel which have bottomed, they are not going to make another lower low. There are always exceptions. Even Bitcoin goes up, there are a few cryptos that are out there which will make a lower low, which have not reached their bottom. But, there are cryptos like, for example, I was looking at the chart of TIA yesterday, TIA. I think this crypto has bottomed. Look at this. We are holding 618. I think it's perfect. Look at this. It's trying to come back on 618, and I think it will. It will. And I believe the next target that I'm looking for, TIA, would be somewhere around 786. That is $1.35, between $1.35. Yeah, $1.35 to $1.42. That's where I think TIA is going. It's going to take a while. Not just like that. It will take a while. Somewhere around in this time frame. So it's going to be gradual uptick. Something like this. Yep. That's how I think it might play out. Like make a rising wedge. And then once it reaches this spot, this is where TIA is going to waste majority of its time. It'll come back down and then waste, probably 6 months or 4 months, right around this range before going higher. But TIA, I'm looking at Bitcoin Cash, I'm looking at Smooth Low Potion, several other altcoins, Derivia DAO, which have reached their local bottom. So there's no room to go down except going up. That's why I'm bullish right now. I've been reiterating this since past 3 videos. I am bullish right now. How is everyone? Oh, okay. We need to change this. Hold on. Um, better. Okay. How's everyone? Free. Shrek TV, baby. How are you, brother? My brother from another mother. Shub Zarif. I hope I don't messed up your name, brother. How are you? How are you? Man, this song makes me feel like little. I just like the deep house beat. Yeah. But let me know, whatever crypto that you're looking for, I'll look at it. Today is this Christmas Eve? Yes, it's Christmas Eve today. You know, are you guys ready to be fed proper food? Gloat for the next week? New Year's resolution? Right. So, if you're going to go down, it'll be here. And go back up. And one more down. I think that's how it'll play out. It'll make a lower low, but it wouldn't be significant what everyone's expecting, like, you know, 12, 15. I'm sorry, 12, 13. That's what I think, again. The lowest I think we could go is like, you know, long wick to 14,800, something like that. But this is it, man. We are done. Look at, you know, why am I saying so? Because, again, the arc is still intact. Look at the altcoins, man. Look at the altcoins. I think this is where we are going. This is this huge resistance right here. $29,000-$30,000. And that's where I think we are going. It'll take a while. Probably May, June. Could be July. It's not going to be easy. But the moment we get out of this channel, how long this channel will last, God knows, man. You know? Look at this. It could last until Feb. Yeah, it could be, you know, very boring phase until February. January, February. This is when, the moment we break out of this, like that. This is when you'll see nice price action. Right? Again, timing could be very difficult to, you know, so that's why I'm saying between May to July. Between May to July, we should be somewhere around $29,000, $30,000. Yep. Bold statement, but that's what I think. What happens after that, we will have to wait and watch, right? But this is what I think. What do you guys been up to? What are you doing for Christmas? Anything new? What's the New Year's resolution? You'd be like, not get fat. What's pumping and what's dumping? Let's see. I haven't been coming live because there's nothing to, you know, come every day, repeat the same BS. But then I miss you guys. I was like, hey, man, you know, let's talk to my people. LCX, dump. All these new coins, they're very risky. You know, anything here that you get into could wreak havoc. What is Rari up to? It's been a while. I haven't looked at Rarible. Look at this, Bitcoin Cash. You know, I made a small video yesterday about Bitcoin Cash. Looks like bottoming up. Look at this perfect channel it's forming. This, if you look at a monthly, it goes down. See, that's why I consider this as a channel. See, perfect alignment. And double bottom for Bitcoin. See, it stayed here. The price stayed here for how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4 months. 4 months here. 1 month here. 1 month here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months in this price range. Can you believe that, man? People are tired, frustrated, angry. People are angry right here. You know, people have lost interest. Nobody's looking at crypto anymore. Nobody wants to look at their Coinbase account. It's depressing, right? Things which are $220,000, $300,000 is worth $9,000, $10,000 now. The portfolio, which was, you know, flourishing $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, now is probably sitting at $50,000, $40,000. If you're lucky. Yeah, it's frustrating for a lot of people. So people have just tuned out. You know, your mind is like that. When your brain suffers, you know, pain, like when you get your arms chopped off or something really bad happens and you're not able to handle the pain, what happens? You know, you become unconscious, right? Your body tunes out, your brain tunes out. That's what's happening to crypto right now. A lot of people are tuning out of crypto because they cannot handle the pain. They cannot handle the pain and they're not looking at the bottom. They're like, man, I don't want to look at crypto. Right? And they're not looking at the bottom. When it's very painful, this is the time you have to have presence of mind and look at your crypto and say, hey man, this is an opportunity right here. I don't know if I'm going to get this, right? $100 for this Bitcoin Cash. That's an opportunity. That's amazing. We've been here in this range for how many months? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 months in this range, right? So I do think, you know, you cannot gauge. Nobody will be able to get exact bottom, right? But bro, you know, I mean, we've been going down since how many months? Altogether, 579 days of downwards price action. 579. Look at this. Almost 600 days of downwards price action without any room to get out. It has not given you even one chance to get out, right? So it's been brutal. It's been brutal. But this is the time, man. I think we have bottomed out here and we would go up. Look at this. I'm no financial advisor. Anything on the channel is my opinion. I'm some guy on the internet. But my opinions could be strong. Just like me. So I believe Bitcoin Cash is heading to 1700 to 1900. Again, you could see the time frame. It's not right away. It's happening somewhere in 2024 or 2024. But the next target for Bitcoin Cash for me is this right here. Between $330 to $370. Why? It's because of this channel as well. Right there. Might go to 5 here. So 378. It's totally possible here. 300, between $330 to $380. Yeah. $330 to $380. And might get a big pullback there. All right, I'll go back. I'll go back to my other preview. Randall McMurphy. Yeah, it's frustrating. Theta. Yeah, man. Theta has been brutal as well. Look at the consolidation. It's crazy. Crazy, crazy. Slower BCH moves, the more I accumulate. Got 528 BCH last BCH pump. I had 267K, but didn't sell. Next pump will make me close to a millionaire. Short-term target. Yep. Between $330 to $380, brother. Okay? That's the target we are looking out for. Yeah, Theta, man. Theta has been brutal too. Look at that. It's tough to gauge how long this consolidation will be. Every time we try to get out of this channel, you know, get right there. We bounced. I think this was done. I didn't expect us to go below this range. I thought, again, I was expecting on 93 cents. I said that we will come back to 80 cents, 82 cents, I said. But I wasn't expecting this pullback right here. But again, I think we come back up to this level, at least this level, to 91 cents. Consolidate, up and down, make another channel. It's just total BS, man, and we'll waste time. The moment we come back up above this channel, again, we could go sideways until, Feb. So the moment we come up, we have to come up right now. This will bounce back up, come back down. The moment we reclaim this level, we could make another channel like that. Again, another boring phase until Feb before we bounce back up. Bounce up to $1.45, between $1.45 to $1.50. And this is where, again, we are going to waste a lot of time before we move up. It's just boring, man. Boring. But I expect something like this. But, it will pump. It'll pump to this level, to 92, 93 cents. $618 is the level that I'm looking for. Theta. This is the level. Between 450, we could go, a nice little wick could go up to $5 possible. But this is the area that I will be, looking to take profits. Between, I wouldn't wait for that. I would start taking profit at $4. From $4 upwards onwards. Between $4 to $5, this is where I would take profit. At least $4. Between 380, if you want to be safe, 380 would be a good number. But yeah, that's where we are going, I think. To 618, $4.50. It'll take a while. You like the music? Zabur Maruf, massive dump. Merry Christmas, brother. Merry Christmas. From another mother. I gotta run. I wanted to stop by. Family time. I understand, brother. Enjoy your day, evening. You know, I really wish you all the best wishes, man. Health is wealth. You know, get your health right. You know, money will come, right? Money comes and goes. So health and family is very important. You know, money part, well, you all in crypto, you are the right spot. We will all do really well. I really wish you, you know, a very good, happy, Merry Christmas, and have a good life ahead. Right? What is pumping? Drep. What is drep? Is that the one? 34 cents. Yeah, 34 cents. Why is it called drep new? What was the old drep? There was something. There was an old drep. Was there an old drep? Oh, this was the old drep. So it's at 34 cents. So that would be. Yeah, 34 cents. Look at this, man. This thing pumped massive. Wow. 559,000% pump. Damn it. But look at the consolidation, bro. Look at the consolidation it went through before the pump. Look at it. If you go closer, it's unbelievable. Unbelievable. See, there are so many cryptos, you know, like in this kind of forming this kind of pattern. This particular consolidation, very familiar, you know. There's another crypto. Let me show you. Something similar. It's doing something similar. See this? See the consolidation pattern? You know what I mean? Look at this. Look at this consolidation pattern. And look at this. Bro, this thing will explode. I don't see any difference between this one. This is just a little higher up here. But if you take that away, if you take this away, look at this. Look at this pattern. It's a very explosive pattern Loom Network is making. Look at this. Dude, when this thing explode, this is going to be big. Look at that. Look at this drep. Look what it did. Where did it go? Oh boy. Look at that. So that's why I really like Loom Network right now. Look at that, man. That pattern. This particular pattern is a very explosive pattern. It usually, you know, pumps really, really hard. But there's a possibility it may go down. There's always a possibility that may go down to this level until, comes and kisses this final resistance. How? I don't know, brother. You know, could be, whenever it decides to go up, before that, there's a possibility it may come down to touch this level before, boom, before we go up. Loom network, look at that. Might not come back. Look at this. It didn't come back down to this level. But, there are many cryptos that I've seen come back down to this level just to give a little kiss, before going up. This one didn't come back down. Look at Loom. You want to take a chance, or you want to... This thing's going to move. Look at that. It's going to move. Loom network, when it pumps, that pump's going to be magnificent. Boy, oh boy. No fib is matching the level where it went to. At 618, it stopped. That's a little small stop at 618, right? Went a little over 4236. So this drep thing, that was the top for the drep. At least $10 to be conservative. I like to be conservative. So 618 is $10. So might go over $10, $11, somewhere around there. So that is still a lot of money from here. Wow, that is more than 100x. That's almost 200x, bro. Look at that. Am I crazy? But the pattern is very strong pattern, man. Look at this. This is crazy. The fib and the pattern, I am very bullish on this thing. I don't own anything yet, but I have cryptos like this, which I'm very bullish on. So there's no point, going from one crypto to another. But I might. Okay, I might. I really like DIA as well. See what is DIA printing? Because I feel it's DIA's bottom. DIA network. I think I mentioned this one just a minute ago. But DIA. Look at this. DIA is sitting at 618, 1618 right here. That is its bottom, man. Look at that. I think this is its bottom. If you flip this chart inverted, look at this. That's it, man. Looks like a bottom to me. Look at this. Forming a nice... This is the chart. This is an inverted chart for TIA, right? If you look at this. Beautiful wedge. Falling wedge. This will break bullish. I'm telling you, this will break bullish. When this will pump, expect a pump to 786, man, to this level. Even if it's gonna go down, it'll come back to reclaim this level. Big ass pump is coming for TIA. Look at this. This is the level. They'll try to reclaim back. You know, $1.35, $1.40. So many cryptos are forming this kind of wedge, which is a very bullish pattern. Very bullish. Let me know if you're able to see me properly. Okay? Looks like everyone's gone, man. Everyone's going, celebrating, preparing for the Christmas Eve. Okay, I should go. I'll take off, guys. All right. You have a Merry Christmas. I will see you tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, but day after tomorrow. All right. Love you all. Take care.